What's up, Beaners? Day 29. I lose some weight. So yesterday we got this pretty much buttoned up. I started running the e-brake cables, and I found a bracket that'll bolt up right here for those cables. Once I get that set, then I can figure out where I'm gonna splice it on this side. But, whew, I was able to drag this big son of a bitch over here, and we're gonna clean it up. Let's clean it up, and hopefully we can get this mated to the engine and dropped in today. It depends how good it cleans up, but let's get to it. I'm gonna tape off the coolant port right there, just so I don't get any water in it. I left the dipstick on, and I'm gonna tape off the little vent hole. And the inside is pretty nasty, but the engine that it was with on that one had a leaky rear main, so it's got oil everywhere. But I think I'll do the inside with some brake cleaner and just wipe it down instead of trying to get everything pressure washed in there. So let's do that. Let me tape this sucker up, and then maybe the tail shaft and the oil cooler port over there. All right, y'all. I think that's as good as it's gonna get. It's not really super crusty, so once it dries, I'll give it a wipe down. Still need to clean the inside of the bell housing, and I'm still gonna drop the pan once I have it in the truck and on the lift. That way it's easier to change the filter out and all that. I don't know about you guys, but in back in the day, Mexican mechanics, we never changed the oil filter on transmissions, because as soon as you did, they would go to shit. So, against my old Mexican ways, I'm gonna go ahead and get a new filter for it, new oil pan gasket and all that. And hopefully it doesn't blow up, or lock up, or not work. Fingers crossed. But anyway, let's let that dry up a little bit. I'll prep the engine, get it off the stand, and then we'll try to put this together. I still need to get well, no, we can't put it together. I don't have any transmission fluid to fill up the torque converter. So, that might have to wait. I'll look through my pile of shit that I have everywhere. If I can find some, we'll fill it up and throw it in. If not, then we're gonna have to wait till I can buy some. So, I'll let you guys know here in a little bit. All right, got it somewhat cleaned up. It's not the prettiest, but it'll do. Now here is my circle deconverter. Yeah. Yeah. This one is set up for a 6L80, 6L90. It's got a it's a 265 millimeter with billet, and I think this one's got a stall speed of 3,400 RPM. Yeah, but let's I found some oil. Let's fill this up, slap it in there, and then we'll get the engine hoist and see if we can get these two married. What's cool about Circle D is they send you the hardware for the torque converter. So I don't gotta buy those because I don't know where I left the ones that came with that. So let's fill this up, slap it in, slap that together, and see if we can get it thrown in there. Let's get it. All right, fellas, we got that in. We ran out of time, but tomorrow we should be able to take this off the stand and put these two together. I found the bolts for the bell housing, so once we get that together, then we can lower the truck back down and fill this void. So that's exciting. Didn't get a whole lot done, but we got a whole lot done today. So thanks for hanging out, Beaners. Peace.